a bit. Ooh.
This week, does one fewer wheel mean cheaper bills? We get stuck into a fiberglass favourite.
Oil lights being covered in black tape, which is not a good sign.
All this here is just bathroom sealant.
And they're off a vacuum cleaner, they're not the proper ones.
And we're heading back to the golden age of steam with a classic toy from the 1960s.
The last person who had this valued excitement rather than safety. So now it is a bomb that could burn your house down and take your arm off at the same time.